Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to stay anonymous online. Now if this is a problem to you, we'll stick around and we're going to show you 3 main steps to do this. The first step is to use a virtual private network, also known as VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and masks your IP address, thus making it harder for websites and third-party apps to track your location and online activity. The second step is to use incognito mode or in private browsing. If you're using Microsoft Edge browser, the in private browsing mode prevents the Edge browser from saving your browsing history, cookies, site data, and form data. It's pretty useful for browsing sensitive information or when you don't want your activity tracked or shared on a computer. In order to do this, you'll need to open Edge, click on the 3 dots settings and more, and in the top right corner, you can select in private window. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N. And on the third option, you can go over to your Windows, click on the Windows button, and then search for location. You're going to see location and privacy settings, click on it, and here you're going to see location services turned on. Scroll down to see the apps that are currently using your location and turn them off as you wish to. These 3 steps will help you to make you more anonymous online and protect your privacy. Which of these steps are you using and which will you be planning to use? Do let us know in the comments section below. And if you found this helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.